Well, good morning boys, girls, friends, enemies, and anybody else who wants to watch. Whether you like me or not, who cares? It's been a long time. 2 years. Yeah, I gave Squeak up, as a lot of you know, because of the condition of her. Heavy arthritis, rheumatism, finances, blah 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 blah. Feeling a bit fitter. So, you had to use that. Looking for something a bit smaller than Squeak. Squeak was too heavy. Not to ride, she's beautiful to ride, but trying to manoeuvre her. Where I live, I put her in the garden. Getting in or out was becoming a nightmare. Car parks, etc. I found this little beastie. My camera's pointing down, isn't it? Let's try and point that up a little bit more. F650 BMW. Single pot, bit of a thumper, but boy does she fucking move when she wants to. I've read all the write-ups, all the criticisms, but size and weight is just right for me. Just does me a treat. I've done a few miles, probably about 100 miles now, just getting used to her. When I got her, new tyres, chain, sprocket, battery, you know, the usual when you buy a 17-year-old bike. She doesn't ride like a 17-year-old bike. Oh dear. I suppose the idiot in the BMW behind is too stupid to move. For the riding I do, I've still got the car. So for shopping trips, heavy stuff, and the days when my rheumatism is playing up, which it does, it's for those of you who don't have it, rheumatism is a bit like having a massive dose of flu. Without the coughs and sneezes. All your joints ache, your muscles ache, you get the sweats. But on those days I can drive the car, and on those days that are nice like this one, where I'm feeling reasonably good, I'm out on a bike again. Best of both worlds. I'm finding it a struggle to get used to how light she is. Really is strange. She goes exactly where you want her to go, but quicker than the old Squeak used to. Squeak was lively, but this thing, bloody hell. Bearing in mind I've always had big bikes, 1000cc mark. A 650 for me. I haven't ridden something quite so small since I was about 17. So it's a whole new world of getting used to. This is only my second day. I was out riding yesterday, did about 100 miles. Impressed. I did a lot of multi-work yesterday. I played in the woods a bit to see if she actually was any good off-road, and it's adequate, that's all you can say. Bit of dual carriageway, vibration, but I got her up to a needle reading of just over a ton. Don't know what the true speed was, but she was certainly flying. The problem is the faster you go, the more vibration you get, so I suspect on a very long journey it'll be the old numb bum numb fingers trick, but I don't plan any massively long journeys. I will probably do if I go up to Scarborough and things like that, or up to my daughter's in Leicester, I should probably do it all in very short squirts rather than trying to do it in one hit like I used to. We'll see. You can be an idiot and get on a bike and just go, go, go. The only thing I'm not used to is the wind. Squeak rather spoilt me with having a full fairing, and a full BMW fairing is quite an impressive thing at speed. But having said that, we're doing 70 now and there's wind noise and it's on my arms, but it's not unbearable. And of course you have to remember, I don't have to go out if it's cold. Now I read somewhere where this type of bike in a tight bend likes you to sit upright, and so you're doing, I don't know, some sort of street moto shit. And yesterday in some really tight bends I tried that, and guess what, it bloody well works. There's a couple of series of S-bends near the reservoir, and I went round them as far as I could, normal, and then I went round them sort of sitting up and letting the bike lean over, and it was a lot more comfortable. I don't mean sitting bolt upright, but sort of getting an exaggerated angle on it like that, and it really did seem to work. Did you see me? He saw me. So anyway, just a short vlog to say God help you, and I do apologise, but I'm back, and you can say whatever you want in the comments. I have a delete button. Although I doubt, having been away so long, 2 years a lifetime, I suspect I may have lost the viewers I had. We'll see. In the meantime, I'm heading home for some chocky bickies and a cup of tea, and I would appreciate it if you lot stay safe, rode sensibly, enjoy, bye.